And those shelters are open to anyone who needs to get out of the cold, but some across the city say there are not enough of them to meet the need. They say this was clear during the blizzard in December. Krista Moran went on a tour of one of these warming centers and tells us what's being done to try and bring more of them to Buffalo.
These community centers are lifelines for a lot of people, especially during storms and cold days. Hennepin is one of the 6 city-run centers, and now one council member is eyeing down more spaces for people to go to if and when another big storm strikes. Brian Polarski loves his job.
All right, I'll come up and have a cup of coffee with you, all right? Okay. All right, buddy, I'll be up there in a bit.
He runs the Hennepin Community Center off of Bailey, where he sees new and familiar faces each day.
So we have seniors and our DDS program all in here. It's where many of the neighbors come right here for services, whether it's Meals on Wheels, childcare, and youth and rec programming. Kids can come in here and they play pool, they play ping pong.
Polarski showed me around the center what he calls a focal point for this community in Lovejoy.
Having a community center right in the middle of the neighborhood, it's key for services.
This site is also one of the many warming shelters for the city. During the blizzard, it was named one of the 6 places to go to.
We ran into a problem where the power went out, so we were in the same boat as the residents in the neighborhood. We probably could have helped more if we had power at this location.
Losing power pointed to a bigger issue community centers have in our city.
We learned a lot from that storm on how we have to better prepare ourselves if we're going to fill that role and step up to the plate and help during a snowstorm or a blizzard like we just had.
A city spokesperson tells me there's a request in the capital budget to get generators for all 6 centers and a plan to look at churches to be warming centers. Now, Councilman Brian Bowman has a resolution on the table to see if there's a way to increase warming shelters across the city.
I believe we need more across the city so they're accessible for residents.
Bowman's hope is to have the Department of Public Works conduct a study to see which buildings are suited for shelters during winter storms.
I would like to see backup generators placed in those buildings too, like in the Hennepin situation. That would have been great if we had, power for those residents seeking refuge.
It's an idea Polarski hopes soon becomes a reality.
Having more sites for more people will definitely make an impact.
Krista Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.